Area I throw salute. Now they welcome for football in Pigeon. After match, talk how you see them. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, don't forget to press that subscribe button, like, share, and drop comments for inside this video. Tottenham Hotspur 0 and Arsenal 2. And we get Oga Akpos. This one is my namesake. May come tell us about how he see this game. Oga Akpos, the last time where Arsenal beat Tottenham Hotspur for their home, now 2014, and Thomas Rosicky now scored the goal. But we don't see it for recent years. Every time where Arsenal go play Tottenham for their house, Tottenham always they beat them. But what do you think say don't change between that period now? We like say Arsenal don't collect Tottenham Hotspur home and away.
Now the mindset don't change. If you notice that time, you see the long space of the time from 2014 till now. The Arsenal where they play that time, not the same Arsenal where they play like this. This Arsenal, if you notice every position where we play well. From centre back to left back to right wing to midfield. Arsenal is a very much more balanced team now compared to before. And you can see the hunger and the desire for the players to support both the fans, to support the club, to support the manager. That make difference there now. And the difference we see with this.
All right now, God, of course, don't be like you talk. The difference really clear for our eye and football fans. We see the difference. But for today's performance now, which player now you believe say stand out for you as an Arsenal fan, where you go give your own man of the match?
To me personally, I'll give out to Odegaard. But if you say also, Ramsey get shout for the match too. He try for the match. Ramsey. He make saves wey keep us for the game. If not be some saves wey he make, the game for dey very, very challenging. And so we got applaud that. But my man of the match now, Martin Odegaard.
So for you, your man of the match,
yes.
Martin Odegaard.
Yes.
I want to ask you about your manager now, Mikel Arteta. You know, say that period when be like say things get the way they be for Arsenal. Many Arsenal fans they talk say make Arteta go, Arteta out. But you, how you see the work when your manager they do this season so far? I think about 12 games, Arsenal they unbeaten since they lose to Manchester United for Old Trafford. How you see the work when your manager they do?
He don't do it. Not better even they talk 2 times. He has done well. He don't try for the club. Myself, I joined the Arsenal fans that time when they do Arteta out, Arteta out. That time, no, so Arsenal a big club. No fan want make the club they lose. That time, nothing they work well for the club. But we got to believe the process. I thank the owner, I thank to everybody who believe the process. Say now today we see what we enjoy from that process. So we got to applaud Arteta. Arteta don't try for this club. He don't try very well. He has done well.
So also I want to ask you about with the season now, the points for the top of the table where Arsenal take the gap Man City. You don't go from 5, go 8 now, if I did correct. So you as an Arsenal fan, you dey confident, you get hope, say your team will lift this trophy by the end of the season?
Yes, so I believe so we will lift the trophy. But the match will go matter. Now our home and away match with Man City. And that match I dey look say na the match will go matter. If at least Arsenal will get 4 points for that match, then this league will don't win the league. But based on now, man, not to rush, may not be like say we dey in ace. But I believe Arsenal 100% everything they settled. But we need to collect that point for Man City and make them fear us too. Yes.
So of course, I want to ask you the talk say make it not be like say you want to walk out fast past your shadow. But I want to ask you about Arsenal next Premier League game. Now against Manchester United for Arsenal home for Emirates Stadium. Now you as an Arsenal fan, what do you predict for that match?
That match na 2-0, Arsenal straight win. You know, get man, you want to come our home. That day, Rashford, although we go. That day they watch now. That day na 3 point. Rashford no go for Rashford that day. We'll silent full Man United. That match, as far as in our Emirates Stadium, I think 100% say 3 point Arsenal. Nothing, no debate.
So, Oga Akpos, make I ask you before I go let you go. One more question. We know that the transfer window still dey open. We see say Arsenal been pursue one player when Chelsea don't unveil today, Mikhailo Modric. To you as an Arsenal fan, with the way you see your team they play and the way you see your team squad, how many players you think say Arsenal need to bring in for this transfer window before this transfer window go end? When you go there confident say yes, well I won't really carry league.
I think personally, we need to bring at least 2 players. I believe say we need a midfielder, a center midfielder, a midfielder will be say go fit play 4 and go fit play CM2. Then at least we need a winger. Mudryk wey dey pursue will not collect. He pay me, I not go lie as Arsenal fan. He pay me, but he don't pass. Me, I not even like more collect himself because na player will be say he not dey dynamic. Now just wing if he play. I dey look say me Arsenal collect Trossard. as Trossard get issues for Brighton, now we just collect am. Trossard na very dynamic player. If he play wing for us, if he play first nine for us. So I bet he's a better option to me than Mudryk. Mudryk not love the club. If you love the club, when he don't, not be in that go so, not be in the Chelsea they smile so may go. He go regret am last. Now the end of the season go tell.
All right now, guy, boss. Thank you for your time. Your face. My country people, now lawyer boy, of course, we dey loyal like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as you take watch this our content, but make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share am with your friends and family. And also, the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, dey for the description for inside this video.